It was a sunny morning in Dreamwood Forest when Daisy the dog received an urgent letter from the forest post office. The letter was stamped with big, bold letters. Deliver immediately. Oh no, this must be important. I'll need help to deliver this message across the forest before sunset, Daisy says. And so commenced the brave day of Daisy, who would be helped in her quest by 5 wonderful animals whose names commenced with the letter D. Daisy ran to the meadow, where she saw Diego the Dragonfly zipping around the flowers at lightning speed. Diego, I have an urgent message to deliver. Can you help me find the fastest route through the meadow?
I'd love to help. Follow me, I know all the shortcuts.
With Diego's help, Daisy dashed through the meadow quickly and safely. At the edge of the meadow, Daisy met Dominic the Deer munching leaves. Hello, Dominic. I need to deliver this letter before sunset, but the forest trail looks tricky. Can you guide me?
Of course. My sharp eyes can spot the safest path through the forest.
With Dominic in the lead, Daisy easily worked her way down the twisty forest trail. It ended at a broad, swift-flowing river. There, Donna the Duck swam serenely near the bank. Donna, I must reach the other side of this river to deliver this message, which is urgent. Can you please help me?
Jump onto my back, and I will cross you over.
With Donna paddling strongly, Daisy safely reached the opposite bank of the river. Having crossed the river, Daisy came out right in front of the sea. She then met Daniel the Dolphin playing in the waves, leaping gracelessly. Daniel, I have to take this letter to the lighthouse that is across the bay. Take me to it, would you?
Hop on. It'll be slippery, so be careful.
At the lighthouse, Daisy saw that the message had to reach the top of the tower. Again, fortunately, Dana the dove was sitting nearby. Dana, could you please send this letter to the top of the lighthouse? It is too high for me to climb.
Of course. I'll get it there in a flap.
Dana flew gracefully to the top of the lighthouse and delivered the letter, where the sun began to set. With the letter delivered, Daisy returned to Dreamwood Forest to share her story with her friends. I couldn't have done it without the help of Diego the Dragonfly, Dominic the Deer, Donna the Duck, Daniel the Dolphin, and Dana the Dove. Finally, Daisy's daring day taught them all about the letter D and the wonderful animals whose names begin with it. Remember, friends, D is for daring, delightful, and determined. Cheers filled the forest as Daisy and her friends celebrated the end of their adventure. Thank you so much for learning the letter D with us today. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to show your support. Bye for now.